I've been renting this 2024 Dodge Hornet, and I've seen a lot of warning lights, and one that just came up was that the key fob battery was low. And I'm gonna have this for another week or so, and I really didn't want to be stranded, so I thought we could use this as a learning lesson for us all. So I'm gonna show you how to replace the battery on your Dodge Hornet key fob.
Now, thankfully, this is really easy to do. You're just going to need the battery, of course. It is a 2032. It's super easy to find pretty much anywhere. Or down in the description below, I have a link to pick one up for yourself. It's just a few bucks, maybe $5, $6. And something to pry out the battery. This is a little extreme, but all I could find at the moment. So a razor blade, a small little knife, something like that would work. If you're stranded out on the road and don't have any tools, you can probably just pry it out with your fingers, but just makes it easier if you have a little tool. So first of all, take the key fob, flip it over. You'll see this little switch here. Push it over, and that pulls out your emergency door key. And you're gonna take that key and stick it in, not the slot it was in, but the one right above it. Take that, and then you're just gonna twist it a little bit, and you'll feel it pry open. So that will actually open the key fob, and your battery is right behind here. So lift off this little rubber piece, and then you will see your battery. And as you can tell, it is a 2032. So we have the right battery. And then I'm gonna take the new one out first. Obviously don't want you stealing these at the stores. They make it more difficult than they need to. Right, okay, new one's ready. And you'll notice that it is the number side facing up. So make sure to put the new one in the same direction. So I'm just gonna pop this out. There it comes. You're gonna toss that, recycle it properly, of course. Here's the new one, and remember, we're gonna put the number side up. Well, of course there's more packaging. Why wouldn't there be? Oh my gosh. Okay, finally free. No one was stealing that battery. Just pop it in like the old one was. You're gonna put it under those little grippers there, just like that. And then we're gonna put the rubber piece back on how it was. It can only go one way, so you really can't screw this up. Just tighten it on. Put everything back, just like that. Snap it in place. So it's all tight all the way around. Put your spare key in. And that's it. You should be good to go. Let's go test it out. All right, there's the car. Let's try that out. Looks like that works. That's a good sign. We'll go inside. Start it up. Success. We are good to go. So that's how you change the battery on your key fob. Like and follow for more car videos. It's at Petrolectric.